back to another video of AritroCoolHD, and today it's a special unboxing of the world's fastest phone, the OnePlus 60 McLaren Edition. Here it is. Now let's salute to speed. Now let's open up this device. You get a box with a nice carbon fiber texture, and then when you open the box, you get a booklet. And the phone is inside the booklet. You also get a nice phone case with a carbon fiber texture, and it's also written McLaren. And you also get a souvenir which has real carbon fiber inside, and it is handicrafted in England. Next, you get a USB Type-C charger and a charging adapter. You also get a USB Type-C to headphone jack adapter. In this book, there's a lot of information about the first McLaren team and the first OnePlus team. There's a lot of information about both of the companies, and towards the end of the book, this is where the phone is located. Now let's see. Ooh, this phone looks so cool. It is the world's fastest phone. This is how it looks in the front. It almost has no bezels. Now let's remove the labels. Ooh, it looks so nice. It has a nice McLaren logo over here, and there's a nice orange hue along the sides of the phone. It wasn't full orange as I expected. And this is the front side of the phone. There's one more label, let me take it off. This phone has on-screen fingerprint. That's a cool thing. Now let's put the cover on of this phone. Now I have put on the cover. The cover has a nice carbon fiber texture with a nice grip, and it also has the McLaren logo plus the OnePlus logo. Now let's turn on the phone and see. Oh, it has an Android startup as usual. Oh, it has a nice McLaren startup also. Now this is how the phone looks when it's on. It is so cool. Plus it has this new feature that on the normal phone, this is not orange in color, but as this is the special edition, every feature in the control center is in orange color. It is an amazing phone with a best quality camera, on-screen fingerprint, fast Face ID, and many other features like this one, the McLaren AR app, which when you start discovering the images in the books, you can get more images from it, like this one. Then let's go on to the next page. There's a video over here. Then there's one more video over here.
Disrupt the smartphone industry.
Then let's go to the next page.
No.
There's more image videos about how the McLaren team worked, and more about the OnePlus team.
I think
There are more images over here. You can swipe through them, and it has also many features written about this phone. Guys, we have also set some gestures, like when you make a V on the screen, when it's off, it turns on the flashlight. When you make one more V, it turns it off. And when you make a O, it will turn on the camera. And then one more feature, when you double tap the screen, it will turn on. So this was the OnePlus 60 McLaren Edition. I hope you guys liked it, and see you on the next video of AritroCoolHD. Plus, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you never miss a video from AritroCoolHD. Bye. See ya in the next one.